Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some people stay broke their entire lives, even when they earn decent money? It's not always about salary. It's not always about luck. In many cases, it's about habits. Small daily habits that seem harmless, but quietly drain your money, limit your growth, and keep you stuck financially. The truth is, wealth isn't built in one big moment. It's built through small decisions repeated every single day. Today we're going to talk about 5 powerful habits that keep people poor, and more importantly, how you can fix them. If you recognize even one of these habits in yourself, don't worry. Awareness is the first step to changing your financial future. Let's start with the first one. One of the biggest reasons people stay poor is simple. They don't know where their money is going. Every month money comes in, and somehow it disappears. A coffee here, food delivery there, a few online purchases, a subscription you forgot about. Individually, these things seem small, but together they can drain hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month. Most people think budgeting means restricting your life, but in reality, a budget gives you freedom. Because when you know exactly where your money goes, you can control it instead of wondering where it disappeared. How to fix this habit? Start tracking every dollar. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a notebook. A simple system many people follow is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, bills. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, shopping. 20% goes to savings and investing. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is awareness. Because once you see where your money goes, you gain the power to change it. This is one of the most common financial traps in modern society. People spend money they don't have to impress people who don't care. Expensive clothes, luxury phones, cars that stretch their budget, all to look successful on the outside. But behind the scenes, many of those same people are living paycheck to paycheck. Here's the reality most wealthy people understand. Looking rich and being rich are completely different things. People who focus on looking rich often stay broke. People who focus on building wealth eventually become rich. Instead of buying status symbols, wealthy individuals often focus on assets. Assets are things that make you money, such as investments, businesses, skills that increase your income. How to fix this habit? Ask yourself one question before buying something expensive. Am I buying this to improve my life or to impress someone else? If the answer is to impress others, it might not be worth it. True financial success is quiet. It grows in bank accounts, investments, and opportunities, not in flashy purchases. Many people spend years in school learning about history, math, and science, but almost no one teaches us how money actually works. So people enter adulthood without understanding how investing works, how debt works, how to build wealth, how to manage money effectively. Because of that, they rely only on their job income, without learning how to grow money over time. But here's the powerful thing. Financial education today is more accessible than ever. Books, podcasts, online courses, videos, you can learn the basics of investing and money management for free. And the knowledge you gain can change your life. Even small improvements in financial knowledge can lead to better decisions for decades. How to fix this habit? Commit to learning about money for just 10 minutes a day. That's it. 10 minutes. Over 1 year, that adds up to over 60 hours of financial education. And those 60 hours could completely change how you earn, save, and invest money. Remember, your financial future improves when your financial knowledge improves. For most people, their entire financial life depends on one paycheck, one job, one employer, one source of income. And while jobs are important, relying on only one income stream can be risky. If that job disappears, the income disappears too. That's why many financially successful people focus on multiple income streams. These could include side hustles, freelancing, online businesses, investing in stocks or real estate, selling digital products, content creation. You don't need to build everything overnight, but slowly developing additional income sources can create financial stability and freedom. How to fix this habit? Start small. Choose one side project that interests you. Maybe it's freelancing, maybe selling something online, maybe creating content. Even an extra $100-300 per month can make a big difference. And over time, those side incomes can grow into something much bigger. This final habit keeps millions of people from building wealth. They wait. They say things like, I'll start saving when I make more money. I'll invest later. I'll start next year. But the problem is, later often never comes. And when it does, they've lost years of opportunity. One of the most powerful forces in finance is compound growth. This means your money starts earning money, and that money earns even more money over time. The earlier you start, the more powerful this effect becomes. Even small amounts can grow significantly over long periods. How to fix this habit? Start today. Even if it's small. Save $10. Invest $20. Set aside a small percentage of your income. What matters most is consistency, not size. A small habit repeated every month is far more powerful than a big effort that never happens. Let's quickly recap the 5 habits that keep people poor. 1. Living without a budget. 2. Spending money to impress others. 3. Avoiding financial education. 4. Relying on only one income. 5. Waiting for the perfect time. The good news? Habits can change. And when your habits change, your financial future changes too. Remember, wealth isn't about luck. It's about the decisions you repeat every day. Small improvements today can create a completely different life in the future. If you enjoyed this video and want more content about money, success, and self-improvement, make sure to subscribe. And before you go, comment below. Which of these habits do you think is the most dangerous? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.